Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. Today I'm going to be taking you into the client's kitchen. I wanted to dedicate a specific video for the kitchen because it has a lot of explanation to be done, and I feel that kitchens are a very important part of the house, and when you're customizing a kitchen, maybe these are certain things that you can keep in mind while designing. So let's begin. Welcome to the kitchen, which is the heart of the house. I wanted to dedicate a specific video for the kitchen so that I could explain in detail to you what we have done in this space. Since the house is a very large, is a good size one, but we felt and the client felt that the kitchen space was not, I should say, it wasn't matching up to the rest of the house. So we definitely wanted to make the space or the kitchen space look larger or be more functional. What we have done here is we've made a lot of civil changes, which I will tell you step by step. So let us first have a look at how the kitchen used to look before and where the dry balcony was located. So as you can see here, there is a counter slab here, there is a space for the refrigerator, there is a counter slab here with the sink, and there is a door to the dry balcony. The dry balcony also has enough space to house a washing machine and a wash basin if needed. So when we looked at this, we reimagined the kitchen to be larger and to be able to include the dry balcony in the kitchen space. What we did first was to knock down the wall, which is right next to the dry balcony door. We removed the door, and what we did in the dry balcony is to add a shade on top. Then we added sliding glass shutters, and under the shade we added false ceiling. Now this completely started looking like a part of the kitchen. What we also did was we knocked out both the granite slabs. The space for the refrigerator was now shifted in the dry balcony, and what we did is we housed a tall crockery unit here. Now this tall crockery unit can house all her crockery and other essentials that she needs. We have provided her with an electronics unit right next to the crockery unit. She can house a microwave, she can house some electronics over there. There are other drawers so that she can house all the things that she doesn't use on a regular basis. There are top opening cabinets in which she can house all her other essentials as well. So this becomes a very good pantry cum electronic unit. Starting from that, we continued with a counter, which was continued from the electronics unit, and it became a U-shaped kitchen now. We kept the depth of the side slabs slightly smaller than the central slab. Now the reason behind that is because this slab is going to house the gas or the hob, and the other slabs are majorly for preparation, so we've kept them slimmer. Also, what we have done is we have used a material called quartz. A lot of you are aware of this new material called quartz. It's not actually new, but it is an alternative to granite. Now, granite is a very sturdy material. However, there is a lot of limitation of colors, and the client did not want to have a black kitchen counter. So we went ahead with this beautiful color, beige color quartz. What we have done is we've also eliminated the front putty in the slab, which generally the builder provides. So this looks more seamless, and this is a waterfall effect quartz that we have created. This quartz completely extends in a U shape and then continues into the dry balcony as the wet area and the refrigeration area. So this gives her enough space in the kitchen for 2 or 3 people to be at the same time. What we have done is we've also housed the sink in the dry balcony area. So if there is a maid who's working, she can be working independently, and the cook can be working independently, and if my client wants to work, she can also be working here, and there will be space for all of them. Now what we have done below is that under this main slab, we have provided her with 6 drawers. These drawers are made out of plywood. They are on soft closing drawer channels, and they can house all her grains and pulses that she has. Post that, we have a shutter. This shutter houses a pull-out trolley, and the corner is being used to keep the gas cylinder. After that, we have a bottle pull-out. Now we have provided her with 2 bottle pull-outs. The major reason for these 2 bottle pull-outs is that she can house all her oil, ghee, spices, sauces, different kind of things. The central part, we have provided her with 2 cutlery tandem trays and 1 thali's tray. Now when we provide these 2 tandem cutlery trays, why it's 2 is because one is basically for the ladles and cooking utensils. The other one is going to house all your spoons and forks and knives and things like that. On this side is another shutter which has a double pull-out corner, so double corner pull-out. So she can use this for her heavier utensils like her woks and her pressure cookers and things like that. This space has been kept for wicker baskets or baskets to house her onion and potatoes. These 9 trolleys that you see here, they are all made out of stainless steel with soft closure drawer channels. These provide space for all her other utensils, be it Tupperware, be it stainless steel utensils. This is a very easy access near the sink as well. So once the utensils are dry, they can be put away close by. So this is the whole platform side that we have designed below. Under the sink, we have 3 shutters. 2 of them house the dustbin holder, there's a soap detergent holder, and 1 shutter accesses the extreme corner where a lot of the stuff that she may use on a very occasional basis can be housed. Above the kitchen counter, we have provided her with cabinets in a complete L shape. It's a combination of glass, combination of top opening, combination of an open shelf, and these are deep enough to house practically everything that she will need. What we've also done is we have provided her with some open shelves over here which kind of add a little bit of decorative factor to the kitchen. Now coming to the portion of the color combination, the green is a color that the client really likes, and we also felt that with the living room, which is a very fluid, soft beige shades, we wanted to use that in the kitchen but also use a highlight shade, and she went ahead with this beautiful green shade. So we've not provided the green shade anywhere above. We've used them in the trolleys below. We've used it with a very Irish beige or an ivory cream kind of a shade with all the cabinetry. For a highlight, we've used black, and that has been used in the profiles. It's been used in the floated glass. And just to add a little bit warmth and not make the place feel cold, the open shelving have been kept in the same wood tone as the living room. So this is the complete 360-degree view of the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was able to provide you with information that you need to renovate, decorate, or build new kitchens. I'm so glad that you are here. If you want to see other videos or shorter clips of things that we have done in the kitchen, things that we have done all around the house, please do follow us on our Instagram because we will be posting shorter video content over there, or we will also be using the YouTube Shorts platform to post those. So do stay tuned for that. I will see you very soon. Happy living.